It's good to be here, man. Real shit. My name is Wiz Khalifa. Damn, y'all motherfuckers really turned up in this bitch. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I ain't gonna talk too much, man. How many of y'all smoke a lot of weed? How many of y'all rep Taylor Gang? Y'all know it's Taylor Gang or? God damn.
Another one. Eyes closed, I won't come down.
Terrible talent, all that.
Papers, no beat, with blood.
Nigga, I'll just be sharing weed. A nigga got bound to burn, that's apparent. Just cut you up in this bitch, don't mean you gon' hit this shit. You better roll some, pop it like you got a cold or something. Tryna OD or THC. Nigga fuck around and gave down the lever, but I smoke the whole thing up in a week. Hey, hey, hey. Pull a joint through the front around, motherfucker smoking to the face. Oh shit, nigga just got some KK in and he say he on the way. Hey, hey, Big P told me try to get money on him every single day. So I want everything, every room, every plane, every place, we mobbing. This how I hear, put your hands up in the air.
Like Bobby and Whitney, grab their hand to push the motherfucking down. Call them cops, risk me to give me that mystic golden. But I told ya, siempre hay que separar las drogas. Ball brawl in the blood, popping and rocking jaws. Shut it out, leaving bullet holes inside the box of wall. I love big chicks, never fuck with us. Played soccer and hammer nails into the shit and go. Game with a casino with Dominicans locked in the tools. We was there for more and niggas for the finish the blue. We gave up graffiti of all sorts of fatty waterfall clothes on the hood to build a hood. We drunk, drink, smoke to the head. For the freedom fighters killed by the feds. For those who died hard in the streets soaking in red. Die slow asleep in a dream, choking in bed. Here's a toast to the dead. For my enemies that are gone, I'm not a coward, so celebrating that would be wrong. I pray to God that your soul will come back again, so I can see you in the next life and finish it again. A toast to the dead. For criminals burning in hell, I wonder how many presidents are burning as well. Emperors, popes, senators, generals, amputees feeling lucky until they see the vegetables. Listen, the angels, they're not the people that your fair weather friends. They're not those clowns that always come around when you got extra weed or a +1 on the guest list. Those aren't your fucking friends. Your friends are the one that say, no, 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 you've had too much to drink tonight. You're not gonna die on the road. Give me your fucking keys. I'm driving you home. Your friends are the one that tell you, don't fuck with that dude. He's a player, he's a heartbreaker. You don't listen to me, bitch. That's on your ass. That's your friend. That's not whatever. Your friend is the one and your angel is the one that says, oh, you got beef? No, 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 fuck that. We got beef. Let's go. But there's some people that got beef with everybody because they got so much money that they can't imagine that someone doesn't want to give them their money. And you know how these rich motherfuckers think? Like this! Turn it up! You gonna repeat after me. When I say money, 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 you say money, money, money.